This is the day 4 of an business series. So in this video we can see how to make a $50K by using an AI. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Vaibhav. I'm an AI consultant. We actually share the information about artificial intelligence and latest AI news. So let's get started. So today's business idea is to you can create ebooks by using an AI tools. Also you can sell that ebooks by using different platforms like Pinterest ads and Instagram ads. So let's get started. So I can show you practical things. Okay. So the first tool we can use in the AI, it is an chat GPT. Okay. So it is the most popular tool for AI purpose. Yeah. Yeah. So you can, yeah. So you can give a prompt like, so if we want to create an ebook on OpenAI Sora. Okay. So we can give a prompt like write an ebook on OpenAI Sora. Okay. Sora in uh, in 10 pages. Okay, so let's example we want a ebook of 10 pages with catchy headline like, yeah, so it can give you ebooks, so that's very interesting. Okay, so I can show you in the step by step all the things. Yeah, so it is actually showing you all the details. Yeah, so it is actually giving, that's very interesting how ASR is changing the industry's complete future of an AI in conclusion. Okay, yeah, so it actually give you all the ebooks. Okay, so you can see starting from the table of content, OpenAI Sora, the future of an AI generated videos. Okay, so it actually give you the points and table of content, and actually it also start from an introduction to OpenAI Sora, how OpenAI Serve works. Okay, so key feature of OpenAI Sora, the power of AI in video generation, use case of an OpenAI Sora, benefits and challenges. Okay, how OpenAI Sora is changing industries, comparing OpenAI Sora with other AI tools. Also, future of AI in video creation, conclusion. So this is very interesting. So you can also create ebooks on like different platform. Like you can also use WordPad and Word. So to make a different pages and align with this ebook. Okay, so the second platform we can use to sell. So first step is to you can create a ebook. Okay, so you do not directly get the content from a chat gpt, so you can also try one thing, it is very effective. Like you can write a ebook. Okay, and you can also give a prompt to the chat gpt like what I can add, and you can fill the blanks. Okay, so you can also get some catchy headline for that content, and you can get from that chat gpt, and you can paste in the you can add that in the ebook. Okay, so that's very interesting. So that's, so second thing, the first thing we can create a ebooks. Second thing we can use Pinterest. Okay, so Pinterest, it is very popular platform in the US also. There are a lot of users of Pinterest in the US and out of the India. Okay, so you can use Pinterest ads to sell that. Okay, that's very interesting. You can sell that purpose. You can use Pinterest organic reach also and ads reach also. Second platform you can, we can also go to the Pinterest. Okay, so I can show you the platform. Okay, so I can also show you some interesting fact. Okay, of Pinterest. So if we give the prompt like Pinterest users, yeah, so you can get information like this. Information on the page. So we can go to the Google and we can paste. Pinterest users. Yeah, so it give 518 million dollars, million users. Okay, it is not dollars. So, so it is very quite interesting. Okay, so that is humongous. That is a monthly users. Okay, so that's very interesting. Many of the countries, they are heavily using an Pinterest and investing their monies on the Pinterest. Okay, so that's very interesting. So you can use Pinterest to sell that product. Also, you can write different thing, post images and videos, and you can get organically also. Okay, and you can post and you can sell ebooks also. Okay, so that's very interesting. Second platform, it is very common. It is an Instagram. Okay, so you can also use Instagram, and because Instagram give you organic reach, you can make a reels and you can upload on that. Okay, so that's quite interesting. You can do that kind of thing and you can post. That's interesting. So that's all. So this is all about the business idea. So it is very simple. You can work on this and you can also start generating from the fourth month and fifth month. Okay, so you can firstly give you 2 or 3 months to get a strategy to sell these ebooks. Okay, so that's very interesting. So that's all about this video. So if you are like this video, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.